What's up, yo fans? Back to the channel. Today we have some brand new Hot Wheels I picked up. And not just Hot Wheels, but other brands. That is Sevi Nova. This is Letty's car. This is good. Got a lot. This is a modified Plymouth Cuda. It says King Cuda, but look at that. That's a Plymouth. This Chrysler on there. There you go. There's Chrysler. Well, to Chrysler brand. And Kate Plymouth. Car company went out of business. Okay. Here we go. It's a good one. On the roadmap. Here comes our next car. Ford Custom 500. 300. Very good looking. Very clean. I have so many cars. This is a Nissan Skyline RS R30. Yeah, rubber tires. See the rubber tires on that little good car. Good ones. More is minor. Kind of good, but not too much. Oh, look at this. Shreddo's car. The Plymouth. The Buick Grand National, I meant. Got the hood loose. It connects. Look at that. That connects. I thought that would do with broken piece or it moves by itself, but when you open it, show you. Let me just get a bit of brick. This little thing. That's where. Okay. Ow. Okay. Let's say. Yeah. It comes off. It's removable, but mine was a broken one. But here you go. Still rolls on all four wheels. Okay, our next car is the Morris Minor. Now, how about this caddy? Kinda good. I got some brand convertible top doesn't remove, but it's still a good car. I'm not a fan of Indiana Jones with Harrison Ford. No relationship to Henry Ford. But just like that, but this is a good one. It's not a Ford car. It's an Auburn Speedster. Very good car. I've never heard about Auburn before, so I decided to get this one because it's a brand that I never heard about before. Oh, yeah. This little car. Well, I think the open top moves. It does. My remember. Oh, there you go. There you go. It moves. It does move. Hope I don't break it. Give me a minute. Be right back. Yep. Looks not movable on this too. So sorry about that, dear Feel fans. I thought it was, but I was wrong. I think it's just the moving parts. Okay, dear Feel fans. Stop knocking my camera over there, but speaking of moving parts, we got his AMC. Oh no, not Roman's Mustang, but see Jarblin, I think. Okay, this is the opening hood, not doors or roof. It's not a convertible, it's the hardtop version. Okay, oh darn. Oh suit. Oh my god. I think this one looks better. We'll move that over there. Okay. There you go. Pretty good. That's it. There it is. The engine. I don't know you see it because of the brightness, but okay. Let me keep the engine open. Next. Pontiac GTO Estate. I'll say that again. El Camino. Good purple El Camino and the GTO Estate. Okay, good cards, good signs, but check out these. Next up is the Chevy pickup and Mercury. Got a lot of Americans. And this is the JDM Mazda RX-7. But yeah. Rose. And Camaro, let's save that for last. Mazda RX-7, looks pretty good. Green on this. Kind of looks like flow on the Chevy, but yeah. Look at a mess. It's okay. Chevrolet 52 pickup. Looks nice. Kinda like it. No bad, not a big crazy pickup story. Never mind that. We got a couple of British cars. Up next, we got 3 other British cars. Let me get these 3 out of the way. 720S, Ford Miner, and Jaguar Mark 1. 720, but not too much. It looks better than the 40, but I still think the 750 looks better than the 650S. Look at this. Morris Minor. Cool. But I like the ukulele by C6 Steve. C6 Steve. On top. Clear 720S Spider. Got the hard top on this one. I had this Spider version. It's still kind of cool. This is a little cool car. Okay. So on the R, on the next one. Oh shoot, I forgot my other car. On this place down over there, right near the Ford GT and the Bronco, it is a Jaguar Mark 1. Good car. Look at that. Looks nice. Now, said to the VW, which is from the Grand Turismo movie. Jane's dad's car. Pretty good. No, this is not in red. This is in purple. For all you Grand Turismo movie fans, never appeared in Grand Turismo games. Okay, diecast. Almost all of it. Just got 5 minutes left until the recording's finished. Because it's let me go over a 15-minute mark. Okay, Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Good one. They're cheap, but they're good. And the next two are Neon Speeder. Oh darn. Mercedes-AMG GT3. Nice Mercedes-Benz. 4GT LM 91 green. Oh my god, I'm making a mess. Oh dear. Stars and Stripes Chevrolet Camaro Copo 2013. Okay, I like the V8 Hot Rod Dragster version. Oh, look at that, Stars and Stripes. Look at that Hot Rod race car. And here comes our next one. Ford Bronco, second to last one. I might split it into 2 parts. And just save the rest for last. Hit my feet. I mean, foot. Okay. Fast and the Furious cars from Furious 7 to Furious 6. 2 years behind of Paul Walker's death, a BMW M3, and a Ford Mustang, Boss 302. This is not the start so, but this one is. This is Letty's car from Fast and Furious 9. Okay, I'm not gonna open them in this. I'll open those four up. James Bond's car and Roman's car in another video, including this Street Pack, which is from Mini Cars, not Armstead City, which get these licensing from Lamborghini, Honda, Acura, Toyota, GM, Audi, Dodge, Maserati, McLaren, Ford, Bentley, Land Rover, Dodge, and Nissan, and Volkswagen. I'm no fan of Acura. Look at this Camaro, lovely Jag, and there's my McLaren Morris. This Pagani's on the R. I think I'm gonna have enough of buying Pagani's on the R, but this car looks nice. I could have waited for a Cinque or F Roadster if Mattel gets a chance for making one. Here comes the Mazda 7 Auburn. The roof doesn't remove. I was wrong, but it's 41 karat. Looks cool. The hood removes on the Charger, but the hood moves on the AMC Javelin. They look good. Muscle cars. El Camino in purple, like the Volkswagen Corrado, and this Mercury Cougar even later, which I think is good. Okay, this Ford Custom 500 and the Nissan Skyline and the forgot the Kuga, Plymouth Cuda, and the Dodge Chevy pickup, and this old Mercury. So thank you for watching, even this Ford GT and the Mercedes-AMG GT3. So give the video a like, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you later. Bye!